Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this tutorial, we are going to find the area that is bounded by this curve and the x-axis between the points x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. I just want us to begin this by sketching the graph of that. If you factorize this part, you are going to get x minus 2 and x minus 3, and if you equate that to 0 so that you get the x-intercepts, that's going to be equal to 0, and then you're going to have a graph like that which has the y-axis and the x-axis right here. Then you've got the points, the solutions to this. The intercepts are 3 and 2. So if we have a graph that is like that, you find that the required area in this question is this area here that I'm shading. So it starts from 0 to 2. So now we just need to integrate this function to find this area. So we are going to say the integral from 0 to 2. Those are the limits of fx, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6, then dx. So we are going to integrate that fx there. Okay, so we are going to have, this will give us x to the power 3. You remember, with integration, that's how we do it, over 3 minus 5x squared over 2 plus 6x, then from 0 to 2. Okay, now we are going to substitute these limits now into that equation. Okay, so we're going to have 2 to the power of 3 over 3, then minus 5 by 2 squared over 2 plus 6 by 2, 6 by 2. Okay, so we have such a, and then we have a minus. We get a 0 for every term here. If we put 0 here, you just get a 0, 0 there, you get a 0, and 0 there, you get a 0. So you're going to have a 0 there. Okay, so we are going to simplify that part there. So we are going to have, this is equal to 8 over 3 minus, that's going to be 4 times 5, 20. 20 divided by 2, that will be 10, then plus 12. And if we continue to simplify that, we are going to have 8 over 3 plus 2, because I get a 2 there. And now if you add this up, you are going to get the answer is 14 over 3. Remember this area, so the units are squared. So the answer is 14 over 3 units squared. Then we have successfully found the area that is bound by that curve and the x-axis from x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Then we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.